Hello, happy Monday. I'm Dr. Shiroko Sokitch, owner of Heart to Heart Medical Center, and the author of the book, Healing When It Seems Impossible, 7 Keys to Defy the Odds. Here's the book. Today I'm going to talk about hormone balance some more because this is still the month of women's health and women's history, and I think women's hormone health is so important and so many ways of helping you have balanced hormones and feeling healthy. I have a lot of patients who have family histories of breast cancer or many other reasons for not wanting to take hormone replacement therapy or for not wanting to use medications in order to alter how their body would be. But they're uncomfortable and they don't feel well. So I want to talk a little bit about Chinese medicine and on hormones and how to help balance your hormones naturally. So in Chinese medicine, there are really there are 12 main organs, and how the organs work is different than how they work in Western medicine. And there are two sort of main organs that have to do with hormone health. One is the liver, and the other is the kidneys. All the other organs, of course, play a role in balance and how you feel and many other elements. But those two are sort of the most connected to regulating your hormones in terms of your periods every month and when you go into perimenopause as you transition through that menopausal phase. So the liver regulates the smooth flow of energy in your whole body. It also regulates the emotion of anger. It regulates your menstrual cycle, so it plays a major role in how your menstrual cycles are over the course of your life, from the first period you have until after your last period, because the liver does all those things. It regulates that system. And then the kidneys regulate your low back, your knees, your bones, your overall sense of having energy, big transitions in life, your physical brain, your hearing, and the emotion of fear. I also didn't add that the liver regulates your eyes and the emotion of anger. I'm not sure if I said that or not. Anyway, so let's say you have PMS or you get migraines with your period, or as you go into perimenopause, you start having high blood pressure. All of those things are connected to the balance of energy in your body and how energy moves in your body. And so acupuncture can be extremely helpful. I have women that I've seen over I've been in practice 32 years now. So I've had women who I've seen over the years who regulated their entire perimenopausal phase with just acupuncture, or sometimes using Chinese herbs and acupuncture. Then the whole idea is that as when your energy is in balance, your body is able to do the things that it needs to do in order to be well. So one of the things in perimenopause, when you start having trouble sleeping or trouble with hot flashes and things like that, it's because as your hormones decline, the estrogen and progesterone levels are starting to go down. Those are yin hormones. So those are the feminine hormones. And all the organs in Chinese medicine have a yin and a yang, so a masculine and a feminine sort of component. The yin is cool, moist, feminine, nighttime, moonlight energy, and yang is hot, bright, daytime, sunlight, masculine energy. And they're always dancing. So that symbol of yin and yang shows the curve. So like one can convert into the other, but also it has a little circle on the inside of the thing, meaning that it can also support the other. And so as you go into perimenopause, then your yin energy starts to decline and you have more relatively, even though you may not have a lot of masculine energy, you have relatively more masculine energy. And so that causes the hot flashes or the trouble sleeping, so that masculine energy rises at night when it should not. The yin energy should rise at night so you can be cool, moist, tired, sleepy, sleep well. And again, just if you start balancing those energies inside of your body, you can use herbs, you can use acupuncture, or you can take bioidentical hormones. So I have that whole tool chest of being able to supply the hormone replacement therapy, but you can also use other methods in order to maintain a stability in your system as you go through the transition. So there are many ways of approaching this time of your life if you're in perimenopause or in menopause, or if you are a young woman still struggling with PMS or periods that don't come when they're supposed to. All those things are connected to the balance of how your organs work in Chinese medicine. All right, I hope you found that helpful. And I'm going to show you one acupressure thing that might help as well. So I'm going to see if I can show it to you. It's around your knee. So the knee, right below the knee joint on both sides, there are points that help balance hormones. The one on the inside, on the middle part of your knee, is usually tender. So you can find a tender point right here. And then on the outer part, it's where that your fibula, the head of your fibula right there, it's not usually tender, but it's usually kind of a dip. Anyway, even if you're close to those points and you massage those points, it can help balance your hormones a little bit. So you could, even if you just like put your hands around your knees like that and kind of get underneath your sort of the main part of your knee joint where the lower leg starts, and kind of massage it in that area, it will help balance your hormones, and it might even help balance some hot flashes. I hope that you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm always here to help, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.